Hello, I just wanted to take a minute to explain the Beowulf character analysis essay. That way you know what you need to do to be successful on this assignment. Okay, so your task for this assignment is that you're going to be asked to write an essay that analyzes either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. And you need to pick one character to focus on. You're not going to do both here, okay? This essay is going to be worth 75 points, so please make sure you take the time to do well on it, okay? Your final essay will consist of 4 paragraphs. You're going to have 1 introduction paragraph, 4 body paragraphs, and 1 concluding paragraph. So let's go over this together. What is okay, so you have 2 options to choose from because it's nice to be able to select what you want to write about. So you can choose either option A, which is what is Beowulf or Grendel's strongest character trait? What is the motive that drives them to be a hero or villain? In a 4 paragraph essay, analyze either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. Describe the strongest character trait your character possesses. Then, describe what motivates your character to be the hero or villain of the story. Use textual evidence from Beowulf to support your analysis. Or you can choose option B. What is Beowulf's or Grendel's strongest character trait? How does the character trait your character possesses compare to another modern day hero or villain? In a 4 paragraph essay, analyze either Beowulf as a hero or Grendel as a villain. Describe the strongest character trait your character possesses. Then, draw comparisons between your character and a modern day hero or villain. Use textual evidence from Beowulf to support your analysis. So, this essay is going to be due on October 1st. I'm going to give you a full week to plan and write and revise this assignment so you have plenty of time to make sure you can be successful. If you write a paragraph a day, you will be able to be done by Monday, October 1st. So a paragraph a day plus time to edit will really be able to help you be successful. Um, if you're curious as to how I'm going to be grading this, there are going to be several categories. I'll be grading you on the structure, thesis and topic sentences, evidence and support, your introduction, conclusion, language skills, and MLA format. Let's take a moment to look at what would get you an A on this essay. Okay, so to get you full credit on this essay, the thesis is advanced in grammatical structure. The body paragraph sentences each link directly back to a part of the thesis and are not repetitive in grammatical structure. All body paragraphs contain properly quoted, relevant textual evidence that is formally cited in MLA style, full explanations, and smooth transitions. The introduction clearly grabs attention with a solid hook, relevant transitional information, and a precise and accurate thesis statement. The conclusion does all of its jobs in a superior fashion. There is a unique thesis restatement and main idea recap, as well as a clever link back to the opening hook. Sentence structure, word choice, and grammar are advanced with either no flaws or a couple of insignificant ones. Flawlessly conforms to MLA formatting rules for header, heading, catchy title, Times New Roman 12-point font, or 2.0 spacing. Okay? If you're struggling to get started on an essay, if that is not your strong point, which is okay, I have a lot of resources here. Click this link, and it's also in the classroom. I have a very detailed PowerPoint here for you that gives you the 7 steps of this process. In this PowerPoint, you're going to see your task again with your prompt options and what you need to do for every step. For step 1, you would pick your character from Beowulf, so Beowulf or Grendel. Then you're going to think of clear adjectives that describe your chosen character. I have a link here that will take you to adjectives that describe a hero and adjectives that describe a villain. Then you're going to write your thesis statement. You can use one of these templates to help you get started. So if you're choosing option A or option B, either one of these, you would just fill in the blank here. Then you need to find quotes that support your ideas. So when you're looking at Beowulf, find 2 quotes from the reading passage in your text that will support each of your chosen adjectives. If you're looking for shorter quotes, no more than 2 lines, okay? You only need enough to support the adjective. You will find the context and the explanation around the quote. Then plan your essay, okay? Using introduction paragraph, body paragraph, and then I give you a brief outline here. Now, in the classroom, you're going to see a graphic organizer that will give you step-by-step instructions. In fact, let's go ahead and take a minute to look at that. Classroom in week 6, after the Beowulf character analysis, after the steps of the essay process, there is this lovely graphic organizer that you can use to help you write your paper. If you look at it, it tells you what line by line you should do for each paragraph. If you followed this, you will have developed a very strong rough draft for your essay. Do not submit this as your essay. You will need to copy and paste your paragraphs into a separate document and follow the MLA formatting, but will help guide you as to what you need to write in each paragraph. Okay? Then, as you start writing, make sure you're focusing on those clear statements, that you make sure you follow that body paragraphs, and look at these helpful resources, okay? I have links to thesis statements, intros, conclusions, attention grabbers, body paragraphs, revising your work. Use all this great stuff, okay? Once you get done with your rough draft, make sure you revise and edit it. Double check that you have used the proper MLA format and make sure you give your work a catchy title. Use the resources I'm giving to you in this essay. And then with the MLA format, follow these guidelines here. I have a picture here, I have all sorts of information, and there's even links that you can follow. If you have any questions as you are completing this essay, please do not hesitate to reach out. I am more than happy to help you. I just want to see you complete the best version that you can possible. Okay? Thank you so much, and I look forward to reading your essay.